Alright guys, we're gonna draw a Balinese cat today. And if you're wondering, what kind of cat is that? Basically, just imagine like a Siamese cat with really long fur and you've got yourself a Balinese cat. So we're gonna start with the eyeballs here. We're gonna draw two ovals that don't quite connect, so there's a little bit of room. And then we're gonna draw an oval on the inside of each one. Yep, just like that. And of course, we're going to draw another one and then a circle. Here we have the circle. And then we're going to draw the other oval. All right, perfect. Then we're going to color in that last oval we made. So this is going to be the pupil. Color that in. And we're going to do this one as well. Then we're coloring that in. Perfect. Add a little bit of lines right here in the eyebrows. Then we can move on to the ears. Triangle. And then another triangle. And then the inside of the ears, which are very, very fluffy. So we're drawing that triangle, but we're adding a couple of zigzags and then connecting it. Zigzag, zigzag, up, down, and around. A line for the top of the head. Then we'll go on and draw the nose here. Little nose, little mouth. Line above the nose for the muzzle or the snout. Then we're going to draw some fur. And then we're going to draw this line that goes all the way down to the chin. And repeat the same thing on the other side. So now we have the head done. And remember, this is a very fluffy cat, so we're going to draw lots of fluff here. So fluff, fluff, fluff. Keep going. Keep going down here. Now we can add the legs. So we're going to go down and then curve. Down. And we'll draw the toes. Then down. 1, 2, and then up. Line, line, fluff, fluff. All right, got two front paws. Let's go ahead and move on here. We're going to draw the back. Again, very fluffy. Down, wee. And then we're going to draw that other foot here, just like that. A line here. But we also need to draw a tail here in just a moment. So here we go. Up, up. Isn't it a really fluffy tail? And there you have it. There's our Balinese. You'll color it just like you would a Siamese. Light brown, dark brown, blue eyes, pink on the inside of the ears.